Hi guys, so I'm looking for a little bit of inspiration, requests, color choices. Right now it's September 29th and I've been working on a lot of these Halloween type characters. I've got the pumpkins, the pumpkin man, I've done the voodoo dolls. I've started doing a couple of characters like Sam and Jack here. Should I keep going on Halloween? Is it too late? I could also redo this little scary bunny in a more no-sew way. I'd like to do my Baphomet in a no-sew. Since starting these two guys here, I've thought about doing other characters like Jason, Michael, who else is there? Chucky maybe. Or going simple like these guys and doing like witch, Frankenstein, a ghost. Also, last year I made these little zombies. There's the ghost, the pumpkin, and the Frankenstein, which I feel I could redo a lot cuter. But I do have a video that includes them, so maybe I don't need to do that. I also have this little ghost tea light that I made last year. I really should put him up, but I have not. Let's see what he looks like turned off here. Super cute, but I feel he could be a lot cuter. I also have my most popular video, the axolotl, which I've been thinking about for months of doing in a blanket yarn, but I just can't pick what colors. I'll show you my colors in a second. Maybe you guys can help me decide on a color. This morning I was going to do a little rainbow bear with this yarn that I absolutely fell in love with, but I'm not quite as convinced that it's what I want to do now. All this yellow is kind of uninspiring me to make him into a bear. Or there's also the option to start going to Christmas with snowman and elves and angels. I'd really like to make a Yoda and a Grinch. Those have been sitting in my head for over a year. I'd also like to make a bear and a cat with this basic pattern and some clothes. Let's see. I guess I'll show you my yarn here. I'm plugged in, so we'll see how far I can go. So you're going to see my little corner where I sit and do all my stuff. My little cave right there. Oh, and I tried doing a bee. This is my first thing in the blanket yarn that I've tried. But I couldn't seem to use the same pattern as my little bees. So I don't know if I want to use that pattern or try and make my other pattern up. So here is my blanket yarn. I've got quite a few colors. These ones are sparkly, which I really liked. I bought every color I could find in it, and then it's just been sitting here because I don't know what to make. So then I bought these lighter colors, but I probably should have bought brighter colors for accents on the axolotl. That's part of my problem. So there's my colors that I have to choose from for the axolotl. And these are my newest colors. I'm in love with this. Love, love, love it. I made the octopus in that, and I might make a Baphomet in that. This is the colors I got from my mother-in-law. It's still waiting for me. I got a little bit of cotton, which I don't really use lately. And then here's my red heart. I believe they're Comfort 10-ounce balls, or 10, oh, they might be 16-ounce, yeah. And then they went down to 14. And here's my Bernat colors. This is all number 4. My couple of little sparklies. Here's a black one that I have out that I'm doing bees with. I guess that's it. Let me know what you think. I have really found that since starting this channel, there are so many appreciative and kind people in my comments, and I'd like to let you know that I do thank you for everything you say, and I try and answer every single one. So, yeah, let me know if you have something you think I should make, something you haven't seen that you'd really like to make that I might be able to figure out. Thanks for watching this video. I actually feel a little silly making it because I really have nothing like to show you. I'm just talking with yarn screenshots. But I do value your opinions, and I hope you find my videos worth watching and doing. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day, and happy crocheting.